Here's how I achieve my perfect everyday makeup look using DCYPHER custom-made foundation. Using the DCYPHER foundation has saved me so much time in the morning, as I don't have to mix any foundation shades because it's my perfect shade. As you can see before the foundation, I have lots of hyperpigmentation, blemishes and discoloration overall, especially on my chin and on my cheek areas, so these are where I'm really going to focus. I'm also going to focus on my dark under eyes, and before you use it, don't forget to shake the bottle really well. DCYPHER is a custom foundation and is the first mix to measure foundation. I'm also using the DCYPHER brushes for application. This makes it super easy in the mornings, as I know my foundation will be the perfect match every single time. They use AI skin tone scanners which scan your unique skin tone to create the perfect foundation for your skin. It also allows you to pick the perfect finish that you want and the preferred coverage, which means this foundation is completely personalised to you, making every foundation super unique. Look how easily it melts into the skin, just like butter. I went for a medium coverage with a skin-like finish, and it's definitely that. It matches my skin tone perfectly, and look how well it covers my red patches. I like to use the DCYPHER brushes to blend this all in, and the formula is very, very lightweight and feels super breathable on the skin. Your skin also feels super hydrated whilst wearing this foundation, as it includes glycerin. This foundation is also vegan and cruelty-free. All of my hyperpigmentation and discoloration is completely gone, and I'm left with the perfect base. It really is that perfect skin in a bottle look, and look how flawless the DCYPHER made my foundation base look. Now I just have to add the finishing touches, such as my mascara and my eyebrows. Using this foundation has made my everyday look super easy and achievable with my custom foundation, which you can get yours at DCYPHER.me. And then this is the final look, absolutely flawless.